Apart from creating this famous spirit, Kinmen Kaoliang has also played a part in the island's pottery industry and in ranching as well. Ceramic artist Rui-hua tells us that the snake kiln in Zhunan used to make wine jars to supply the distillery.
这些的产品，现在我们看的这个艺术品，它现在目前是自产自销。
The popularity of Kinmen Kaoliang, combined with the island's soil, has driven the development of Kinmen's ceramics industry. The Kinmen Ceramics Factory was established in 1963. There's a display about the production of wine bottles, and guides explain the significance of various designs, providing an insight into the significance Kaoliang had at different times. You will also understand that before you can fully enjoy drinking Kaoliang, you need to understand the history of these vessels as well.
我们现在有看到的这个是金酒公司的一个1公升的酒坛，注浆以后，我们必须还要做第一道的烘干，烘干完以后再送到，经过慢慢的循环，要经过一个初修，把那个接缝线把它修完，修完整。
To allow Kinmen's only official ceramic works to have even greater influence, a museum was established at the Kinmen Ceramics Factory on December 25, 1997. In addition to displaying works of ceramic art, on the second floor, there's a display about ceramic production and a DIY section where visitors make their own pots presided over by experts. You can make your own unique decoration and create your very own ceramic work. This will be your best souvenir of a visit to Kinmen. Before you leave the museum, don't miss Taiwan's largest 9-dragon wall. This work took 2 artists a whole year to complete and deserves detailed study. Demonstration, learning, exchange. Ceramic artist Lin believes that the museum is able to express the history, culture, and appearance of Kinmen, as well as its rich ceramic art resources. It should be on any tourist itinerary for Kinmen.